let's move on with the benefits and how you're gonna use the products that we have. So cleansing milk, basically, this is the product that you will use to cleanse your skin. Actually, the effect of this one as compared, because sometimes clients or members will ask you what's going to be the difference of having this cleansing milk as compared to the usual cleanser. Okay, there are a big difference of having this kind of cleansing milk because we have two specific ingredients that can actually give them a good result. Okay, so the cleansing milk is like once you use this product, you can actually feel the softness of your skin. It has hydrating effect on your skin. It gives a lot of hydration. And at the same time, if you have hyperpigmentation, it can actually improve your skin or lessen the pigmentation on your skin because of this two particular ingredients, which is the lilac stem cells and the sea daffodil. As you can notice here on our bottles, you can actually see the two good ingredients of our cleansing milk. So these two can actually help your hyperpigmentation and the aging of your skin. Okay, it's also non-comedogenic, meaning it cannot clog your pores, so it's also safe for those who are actually having some breakouts or who are prone for acne. Okay, it's also good for all skin types. So either you have a dry skin, you have an oily skin, and it's actually safe for those women that are pregnant or lactating women. They can actually use this one. And as young as 9 years old, you can actually recommend this cleansing milk. Okay, so we actually have two ways on how we can use this. One is the dry cleanse, and the other one is the wet cleanse. So if you are more on or if you are using makeup or you have makeup, you can actually advise them to do dry cleanse because you can actually have this one as your makeup remover. So all you have to do is to dry cleanse, do this dry cleanse procedure, apply this on your dry skin, and then gently massage onto your face, and then rinse thoroughly through lukewarm water or clean damp cloth, and then follow up with the wet cleanse. That's how we're gonna do this cleanse. That's how we're gonna do the cleansing milk. Okay, or if your clients does have this oily skin, if they are suffering oily prone skin, they can actually also do the double cleanse procedure. Okay, so the ingredients of this cleansing milk, aside from sea daffodil and lilac stem cell, it also has chamomile, and it's actually natural antioxidant and moisturizer on their skin. And it also has rose geranium. It's actually an antimicrobial. It has antimicrobial properties that can actually heal some distressed skin. Okay, so these are the key ingredients of this cleansing milk.